Hi guys, time for some science. You might have combined baking soda and vinegar before. It's an acid-base reaction, and the two chemicals react to create a gas, carbon dioxide. Those are those fizzy bubbles you see. Gases need a lot of room to spread out, but how much do they need? Let's illustrate this by trying to inflate a balloon. Pour some vinegar into a bottle, and then use a funnel to put some baking soda into a balloon. Then carefully stretch the neck of the balloon over the neck of the bottle. When you're sure things are secure, you can lift the balloon so that the baking soda falls into the bottle. You might want to have some towels around or do this outside. You can try it with different size balloons, or you might try it with something else you have around. And when you're finished, give yourself a high five.